Join me as I fit $2,000 worth of OEM Toyota telephones to my Toyota Century. First, I'm mounting the base plate itself. The rear armrest has already got all the holes ready for the bolts to just go straight through and install straight away. As we can see, just putting the cover back on and boom, she's in just like that. Looks really good. Just need to do the wiring though. That could be for a later job, but wanted to get them in. The next job is to get the fronts done, and needed to take out the whole center console to get access to this plate. So as you can see, there's a load of little dimple holes and cutout markers. Because this is an OEM part and everything, I just needed to follow the guides, drill out the holes for mounting the base plate, and then the larger hole for the wiring as well. But yeah, all lines up perfectly as it should, all lovely in OEM. And then it's just a case of adding a few bolts in, securing it properly, just to make sure when it goes back in the car, it's how as it should be when it left the factory. Then this is just it all mounted up with the covers back on, and just looks super clean. Do you know what I mean? It's a nice little touch that I can add to the car to make it an almost 100% complete with all optional extras. And that is the aim for this car, just to have it absolutely spick and span and every possible quirky accessory fitted to it. But yeah, no, as you can see, it fits in beautifully. Just pull back the cover and you get your little telephone. I need to finish up the wiring for it to actually get it hooked into the car itself, as it has all the additional systems in place for it, but that's a job for another day. But yeah, just look at this. Beautiful phones fitted front to back, ready for the next job.